You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word, confusing word, I know, and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from cupola. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here, so it's pretty straightforward once you know. It's not cupola. That would be in Italian, yes, it would be said cupola, cupola. But in English, it's pronounced cupola. Stress on the first syllable. How to pronounce English pronunciation, cupola. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.